All right. Back with another one. All right, so this video, this tutorial is really cool. It's inspired. All right, it's inspired. I was inspired to make this, and I thought you'd like to see it. So, a lot of times we have documents from certain places around the web, right? Dare I say, teachers pay teachers. So, let's say you have a document, right? It's a Word document, right? And this goes for anything Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. And you want to take that said document and have your students be able to use it. Well, if it's a Microsoft Word format, they can't use it because they have a Chromebook. They won't be able to edit it, right? So, how do you take that document that you get from Teachers Pay Teachers or any other website, right? And if it's a Microsoft document, how do you change that to a Google Doc so that you could edit it? Well, I'm going to show you right now. And I'm also going to show you how to do something else, which I came across that'll help you as well. Okay. So, first thing you need to do is you need to find the folder in which you want to put this document in, right? And you choose whatever folder you want. For me, I'm just going to put test folder. All right. So now I want to upload first, right? So you have your document downloaded from wherever you got it. The first step is to upload that file into a Google Drive folder. Okay. So just right click, upload files. Okay. I have a Microsoft Word file, right? A study packet. So I'm just going to click on that. What this is doing now, it's uploading it into my Google Drive. So now I have this file into my Google Drive. If you notice, if I click on it, I can't write on it, right? So all you have to do is hit open with Google Docs. Okay. Now it's going to translate it into a Google Doc, but you're not done yet. Okay. If you notice up here, it says .docs. This is still a, not completely done formatting into a Google Doc. Right? It's a Microsoft Word file still. So how do you make this into a Google Doc? All you have to do is click File, Save as Google Docs. Okay. Now this file that was Word is now Google. Okay. And again, you can name it anything you want. You can name it, the Google Doc version, but you don't need to do that really. The most important thing is just changing it into a Google Doc. So now let's exit out of all these documents, right? And not exit out of this. If you notice now, that Word document that you just uploaded is now adjacent to the Google Doc editable version, right? And you'll notice that it's different symbols. This right here is a W for Microsoft Word. This right here is a Google Doc symbol, right? Now, this document right here is now editable. So now if you share this with your students, right, they can write in it, right? Like, hello. Is it me you're looking for? All right. So, let's see here. Yeah, you're right here. That's how you upload Microsoft Word files and then make them into Google Docs. Now, just as an added feature bonus, let's say, right, you are making something in Google Docs and you need to upload it to a certain website that only takes Microsoft Word files or PDFs or what have you, right? How do you change your Google Doc back into a Microsoft Word file? Simple. Same concept as changing it to a Google Doc. You open up your Google Doc, right? And you go File, right? Download as Microsoft Word. So what that does is it lets you download it, right? So then let's just change it to version 2, just so I could show you it looks different. All right. And then you just hit save. Okay. Now, when you open it, right, in the bottom left, when you open it, look, it's opening up Word. We don't want to do that. Let's get out of there. All right. So that's a really cool thing. Like a lot of y'all take college classes that you might have to upload Word documents in, right? A lot of the kids in cosmetology have to upload Word documents into one of their sites they have to go to. So you have to be able to translate, or change your Google Doc into a Microsoft Word, right? Document. So they're interchangeable, right? If you notice the theme here, everything's interchangeable. that's pretty much it, right? And you can get rid of this, you could delete it, you can do whatever you want, but that's how you change it into there. Okay. And again, you could do the same thing with Google. Um, I get my Googles and Microsoft mixed up. You could do the same thing with Excel into a sheet and PowerPoint into a slide. Okay. And that's it for my tutorial. Any questions, contact me or Melissa. Thank you and have a great